Welcome. If you want to change language in your League of Legends Wild Rift game, at the first you have to tap on the settings icon right here, and then we have to click right here. So as you can see, we are able to change the language of the text, audio, and also when you enter the format, we are able to turn off or turn on auto sense language settings. So when this function is activated, and we are going to switch the language from English, for example, to Polish, right here, and then tap confirm, it also is going to change the audio language. So right now we are able to pick one of the language, for example this one, click confirm, and right now, as you can see right here, the language has changed, and we have to log in to our game another time. So that's how we can change the language in this game. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.